Hi, here in this video you're gonna learn all the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds of English language. The phonemic chart here represents the IPA symbols for each of the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. Let's start with the first one, the vowels. E, sheep. I, ship. U, good. Oo, moon. I, ear. A, train. I, bed. About. Bird. O, door. U, your. Oi, boy. O, coat. A, apple. Up. Car. Not. Ear. Hair. I, by. Ow, now. Now the consonant sounds. P, pen. B, ball. T, table. D, dog. Ch, chips. J, jam. K, key. G, green. F, fire. V, video. F, thick. F, mother. S, sea. Z, zebra. Sh, shop. J, television. Man. No. Sing. Y, yes. L, light. R, right. W, when. House. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helps you, then do like the video by hitting the like button and do let me know in the comments.